Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm 2150150. I'm Azim binti Hairuddin. I will present you elementary complex function, complex exponential function. Okay, I will teach you the exponential function in the simplest form. Assume that fz equal to exponent z equal to u plus iv, with z equal to x plus iy and u equal to u x and y and v equal to x y, and it's close tied with the Cauchy-Riemann equation, which is ux equal to vy and uy equal to vx. Okay, as well we know the exponential function, the definition for exponent function is exponent z has the polar form, which is r cos theta plus I sin theta, and it represents the exponent z to exponent x. And if the definition of exponent z, we make the replacement of exponent z with exponent x, and we make the x equal to 0 and y equal to theta. So we obtain the Euler function, which is exponent I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and using and we can get the simplest form, which is r I theta. For example 1, I will show you the exponent 2 plus 3 pi I, and we can expand it to exponent 2 cos 3 pi plus I sin 3 pi, and we can get it. The solution of cos 3 pi is -1, and solution for sin 3 pi is 0, so I 0. So the solution is negative exponent squared. And example 2, I will show you how to express exponent z squared in the form of u and v. So the first step we can get from exponent z squared, we must expand the z squared, which is z equal to iy squared, and we expand it to x squared minus 2 squared plus 2xy I. Hence, we get the z in the exponent, which is z squared is exponent x squared minus y squared plus 2xyi, and we can get it like this: cos 2xy plus I sin 2xy, this like this. So we expand it right here, so it being like this: exponent squared minus y squared sin 2xy. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am 2150146. Natasha Sheridan would like to teach you on how to do trigonometric functions. Here's the example of the question of trigonometric functions. If you get this question, you must know what the value of sine x. Okay, you can insert this value into the calculator in the question. First, 2, negative 3, negative 3, 1. So the value of sine x 1, or sine x equals to 1 over 2. So this value is sine x minus 1, 2 sine x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, here you have the answer of sine x. Okay, you must to divide it into 2 partition. Okay, for this is first case and this is second case. Okay, let's we do the first case. The first case is sine x equals to 1. So x equals to pi over 2. Pi over 2. If you want to insert into the question, the answer must be like this. Okay, pi over 2 plus 2 pi k, which is k is the element of the z. Okay, this is the first case, and the second case is sine x equals to 1 over 2. So the value of x is pi over 6. Okay, you see pi over 6. Okay, from here you can draw the possibilities or the angle which should be the value of x will be. Okay, first at this first quadrant, pi over 6, this pi over 6, and the second quadrant is here, pi over 6 also. Okay, which is the positive value for sine x. This is all, and this is for sine. Okay, first you got pi over 6. So the equation for this angle is pi over 6 plus 2 pi k, which is k is element of x, like this. Okay, and this is, wait, we use this color, and this is the answer for this, and the answer for this, okay, here. Okay, how you want to find this angle of this side? Okay, pi over 6, you can find pi over 6 times 100 over pi. So you got 30, means 30 degree here, 30 degree. So the balance here is, 150 degree. Okay, you must know that this is pi over 2, this is negative pi, and this is negative pi over 2. Okay, first we have got this equation, and the second equation here is you can find by 100, and you can start calculate the angle from here until 150, which is 150. We convert it into the pi times pi over 6, pi over 180. So you got 5 pi over 6. So the second is x equals to 5 pi over 6, and the equation should be like this: 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k, which is directly minus in the z. So we combine this. We combine this equation, okay, this equation and that equation into one equation. Okay, so the answer is pi over 2 plus 2 pi k, okay, and z. Just copy back. Union with pi over 6 plus 2 pi k, which is k, right, and union with the third equation, 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k, which is k, and then z. So this is the question, the answer for this question.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am 2150209, Cadet Officer Amira Nuliana binti Jamaluddin. Today I'm gonna show you some example, and I will explain to you about complex hyperbolic function. I'm gonna show you some basic info about complex hyperbolic function. Okay, so this is some of the basic info which we can define sine hyperbolic x equals to ex minus e negative x over 2. Then cos hyperbolic x equals to ex plus e negative x over 2. Tangent hyperbolic x equals to sine hyperbolic x over cos hyperbolic x. Cosec hyperbolic x equals to 1 over sine hyperbolic x. Sec hyperbolic x equals to 1 over cos hyperbolic x, and cot hyperbolic x equals to cos hyperbolic x over sine hyperbolic x. Okay, so this is some of the basic info that can be applied in this subtopic. So now I'm gonna show you some example, which is show that cos hyperbolic x plus with sine hyperbolic x equals to ex. Okay, as we know, cos hyperbolic x we can define as ex plus e negative x over 2. So we can replace it plus with e negative x over 2, and sine hyperbolic x replace with ex minus e negative x over 2 equals to ex. Okay, so this 2 e negative x we can just cancel it down. So ex plus ex equals to 2 ex over 2 equals to ex. So this 2 cancel it, so we get ex. So it is proven. Okay, next we'll show you proof that sine hyperbolic z equals to sine hyperbolic x cos y plus with I cos hyperbolic x sine y. Okay, for z, we assume as x plus I, y. So, for left hand side, sine hyperbolic z equals to sine hyperbolic x plus I, y. As we know, sine hyperbolic equals to ex minus with e negative x over 2. Okay, so ex plus iy minus with e negative x plus iy over 2. Okay, so we take these 2 out, it will become 1 over 2 ex plus, we can change it into dot eiy minus with e negative x dot e negative iy. Okay, then 1 over 2, we separate this ex, so ex cos y plus I sin y minus with e negative x cos negative y plus with I sin negative y. Okay, so here cos y equals to cos negative y and sin y equals to sin negative y. Okay, so 1 over 2 ex cos y plus with r sin y minus with e negative x cos y plus I sin y. Okay, and 1 over 2 ex cos y, this one we can expand it, plus with I ex sin y minus with e negative x cos y minus I e negative x sin y. So this we can cancel it. Okay, and it will become 1 over 2 ex minus e negative x cos y over with 2 plus with I ex plus e negative x sin y over 2. Then we get sin hyperbolic x cos y plus I cos hyperbolic x sin y. So, that's all. Thank you.